What's up guys, Braden here with SuperATV, and today we're going to be showing you how to install SuperATV's inner fender armor panels for this Polaris Xpedition. So let's get right to it. We removed our wheel and tire. You don't have to do this install. We just did it so you could see a little bit better of what we're doing here. So if you come to your inner fender, you're gonna see that you have a T40 here and then two down here on the bottom. You're gonna wanna get a T40 Torx and remove these. Now what we're gonna do is grab our provided hardware out of the kit. Make sure you put the washer on your Allen headed bolt. And we're gonna go right to this threaded hole up here that we just removed the hardware. Go ahead and get the screws started. I like to grab my socket just to help me. Just want to make sure it's threaded in enough that it's not going to want to fall off. So we'll just kind of let it hang like that. We'll grab our other two bolts. Once we have them all started, we're going to fully tighten them. Now we're going to use our 4mm Allen to fully tighten the hardware. So that's how super easy it is to install SuperATV's inner fender armor guards on this Polaris Xpedition. Be sure to check the description below to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.